Hi everyone. I wanted to give you a quick demo of how the Insider Bar's dynamic content works. Um, so right now what you see is it's a 5-minute chart of S&P futures um, with markers shown, and the this is not a candle chart. This is a high-low close with value area, and the yellow boxes you see on the bars are auction point of control. Um, so a couple things go on here. I have got the settings for plot weight set to automatic and going back 4 days. And so what this does is it allows the plots to change in weight as you increase and decrease the bar spacing. Um, as you can see, they get smaller as we increase the number of bars on the chart, and get bigger as we decrease the number of bars. And this is kind of the same way that TradeStation's standard candle charts work, only we had to do this separately since that's only available for candle bars and not for indicators. Um, so that's one element going on here. The other element is actually a little more interesting. Right now, what you see are the markers shown, the red and blue dots showing the extreme buying and selling. Now, look what happens when I increase the spacing a little more. It switches to text, and what I have here is up volume minus down volume for the text display. And the way you do this is go to the Insider Objects and set text plus markers. And then the way it determines when to switch is this little setting you see down here at the bottom. Use markers with spacing less than 45. And so that's what it uses to determine when to switch. The other thing it'll do is if you decrease the spacing a little bit more, the markers will disappear also. So you can just see the raw bar action if you want to just take a look at the big picture. So that's just a quick overview. The one other thing you'll want to look at with this is it all works based on setting the text sizes automatically on the other settings tab. And you can set these settings, the maximum size you would like your text to ever be when space is no object, and then the auto hide if less than setting tells it when to hide the markers or the text when it gets too small to see. So hopefully this will give you a little understanding. This is one of my favorite aspects of Insider Bars B, and this is the way I use it. Being able to see a little bit of detail or a lot of detail, depending on what you are wanting to do at a particular moment. Thanks a lot.